welcome back everybody to another video. Today is going to be how to install new taillights on pretty much a 15 to 20 F150. This one specifically is a 2018, so the facelifted body style, but it is all the same back here. The only thing that's different is the connectors. Let me show you guys the taillights that are on here now, and let me show you what we're switching to. Here are the taillights on here now. They're really not bad. They're super dark. This area right here is where the brake lights actually come on. I wonder if I can do it if I lock it. Yeah, there you go. But this is what they look like now. They definitely don't look bad, but they just look okay. They look okay. I don't think they're anything crazy. These are actually cheap on Amazon. These were like $150. We actually did my dad's truck up for Father's Day. We got him taillights, license plate lights, third brake light, the coloring right here, headlights. We did a bunch of stuff, so we kind of had to get cheaper taillights, but these are not the ones he wanted. The ones he really wanted, well, let me show you. So these are the taillights he really wanted. Some of you might already know what these are. There's me, what's up? These are the Morimoto taillights right here with the infinity mirrors inside of them. Holy moly, do they look good, but boy, were they expensive. They're like $600. And then if you have a 2018 to 2020, this is specifically for you, make sure you guys buy the adapters. There's these adapters because there's different plugs, because on the 2018 through 2020, it's only this one single plug right here. So you got to get these two to connect into the back of this, and we'll see when we're doing it in the car. But anyways, I bought these without knowing that I needed these harnesses here, and yeah, kind of screwed myself because I bought those, got super excited, started taking this apart just to find out that I needed the extension, or sorry, the harness adapters. Well, I bought a harness adapter because I thought it was a pair. Guess what? It wasn't a pair. It was only for one. Do not make the same mistake as me. But these are the ones that my dad really wanted, but they were so expensive. We decided to do a few things to his truck instead of just being able to do one. But this year for Christmas, we got him these. So I'm going to show you guys how to install them. Coming over to the back of the truck, pretty simple. We are just going to drop the tailgate, and it's very straightforward. So you have this bolt right here, and then you have this bolt right here. Both are 8mm, and you'll notice that you can't really get to that bolt right there. Now you could use a wrench, but why use a wrench when you can just pretty much pull these out? You might have to get a pry bar or something, but yeah, they actually come out really easily and they pop right out. It won't affect anything. You still have this right here to actually hold the tailgate on. But yeah, these guys right here kind of can just pop right off if it'll work with me. There we go. And it just shot right back on. But you can pop these off. There we go. And these pop back on. I'll kind of show you that in a minute. But now you have access to that bolt. So I'm going to do the other side. And actually, just kidding. It's only on this side. That makes life a little easier. So let's grab the 8mm and take these bolts off. All right, didn't want to bore you with taking these out because quite literally it's just an 8mm here. I used a 1/4 inch and you just take them out. It's actually that simple. No need to film it. Now, to get this out is not hard, but you'll notice that it's kind of loose on this side a little bit. You're going to have to slide this backwards when you actually pull this out. So this side is undone, which is awesome, but you're actually going to need to just kind of pull this towards you to actually pop it out of place. I doubt I'll be able to do it with one hand. Let's see if I can. It does not look like it. But yeah, you guys will need to kind of put one hand here, put the other hand on this side and pull it towards you, and it should come out. So once I get this loosened, I will pick up the camera and show you guys. All right, so this is what we got going on. See, these are those tabs right here that I told you. You just kind of got to pull towards you. This came right out. So this is an aftermarket one, so yours might not look like this. You'll notice that there's a little ballast in there that we will have to get out. But if you have OEM taillights, you should literally just have this right here. So all you're gonna have to do is just kind of, if I can get it with one hand, probably not very difficult. There we go. So that is unplugged, and now I just have to get that little ballast out of there. It's held on with these clips right here. So I'm just gonna pry these clips off and take that ballast out of there. All right, so here's the taillight, and again, what I'm about to do right here is just specifically for the 18 through 20 F150s, honestly probably Expeditions too, but here is the adapter, and you guys will see on the back of this we have two plugs here, and that's it. And you guys are like, wait, that's not going to work. This is just one single plug. Why we have to have the adapter? We have two right here. Boom, boom, color coordinate. And then we got this to pop into here. So we are just going to basically plug these in. Pretty straightforward. Again, try to do this with one hand. Thankfully, I still have the film on this one, so I can lay it on the bed of the truck without risking of damaging it. And then gonna plug this guy in. Hopefully this one's easy too. And then what I'm gonna do before I actually fully install it is I am just going to connect this right here, and we are going to test it out. All right, so gonna kind of get it here, and we are just gonna plug this in just so I can test it, because it would really be quite a bummer to do all this and install it and everything just for it to not work. Boom, it is now connected. Again, this ballast here, I'm just gonna leave. It doesn't really matter right now. I'm gonna flip this over, and let me get the key out of my pocket. We just gotta make sure they light up. So, oh yeah. Oh God, that looks so sick. All right, time to put these on. Before we move too much further, I wanna let you guys know that you have to reuse these. So you'll see them kind of right there. I mean, I should check the Morimoto bag to see if they came with these, but I don't think it matters. I'll just reuse the ones that came on this, or the OEM ones, whatever you guys have, and just make sure you pop them off that. Just pop them on here. It literally just pops on and off. So make sure you do that so you can clip it into those holes. All right, you guys, we're gonna peel this off. Oh my goodness, does that look good? I'm not gonna ruin the surprise yet. I'm gonna tackle the other side, and then I'm gonna hit it. We know these work. I'll test the other side too, but I'm gonna get the other side done, close the gate, and then we will see it for the first time together. But man, do these look really, really nice. All right, guys, let's see how they look. Oh, the camera's not doing it justice. Oh man, look at that. That is wild. Wow, that looks so good. Then the brake lights, when I lock it, you'll see it kind of get super bright. Wow, that looks super, super sick. Guys, so that's a wrap. That is how to install taillights with a 15 through 20 F150, specifically these Morimoto taillights with the adapter harness. Super easy, super simple. Honest to God, anybody, and I do mean anybody, unless you don't have arms, and that's probably an exception, pretty much anybody can do this in under 30 minutes. Even with me filming, it only took like 15 minutes. So I'd call this a great success. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one.